Hi guys, this is the founder of Building Wealth Investments Inc. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in and for taking your time to watch this video. While you're still on that, hit the like, subscribe and notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. With that said, let's get into it. So today I'm going to be doing a quick analysis on a trade I'm currently looking at on JBP, JPY, Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. So looking at this trade right now, we can see that we had an impulse and a correction. Reason why I'm just jumping into it is because this is currently happening live and it's not a previous, what you call this? It's not a previous trade breakdown that happened or something like that. This is a trade that I'm currently looking at. As you can see, the time now today is 10 to 5 South African time. So okay, with that said, let's just skip that and let's just look at the analysis as to what I'm seeing currently. So we took a trade on this last week and I'm going to upload a video on the trade breakdown on the trade that we took here, which shot all the way up beautifully, all the way up. So looking at this current structure, this is the 15 minutes time frame, right? It's the 15 minutes time frame. Looking at this current structure, we can see that we had a nice impulsive move to the upside and then we corrected nicely. But let me go up on the higher time frame to make sense of what I'm seeing, to get a nice picture. So looking at this, we can see that we had our resistance, which then became support. We can argue and say go broken, but look how the market came back within this area. Maybe we could see a week in this 4 hour. Exactly. So we can see we have a week here in our 4 hour chart. With that said, we can see that okay, this was not really a breakout, but although the 1 hour is telling us that this is a breakout, we can see that this is not a breakout. So we can see now that we have an impulse, we're in a corrective phase. Nice one. So we can see now we had an impulse, we're in a corrective phase. We're expecting the market to do what? After we have an impulse, correction, and then impulse all the way to the upside. Sorry for that bad drawing there, but you get what I mean, you get the idea. So let's go into the 15 minutes. Okay, so in the 15 minutes we can see that we had our first surge, second surge, and third surge, right? Also we can see here we had our first surge, second surge, and arguably our third surge here, right? So looking at this, I can see that okay, the market went all the way up to this high, took out this high, and if you've seen my previous videos, you would know what is it that I'm about to do in this area here. Wait, sorry. Check out my Fibonacci. So looking at my Fibonacci retracement, we can see that we came well within the 61.8% area, and then we got a nice pullback, a break and a retest within the lower time frame. It will make much more sense to get an idea of what I'm talking about. So we can see we had a nice break of structure here. The market came back and it retested nicely within this area, and then now we're just looking to see, or we want to see the market do something like this to execute this trade. But looking at it now, I think it would also be much more safer to take this as like the first trade. to take it within this area. It's like the first trade, like the first entry, and if it doesn't go our way, we just look for something like this to take the second entry. So this is what I'm gonna do now. Let's take this trade here. My stop loss right below there, and then our targets there. So yeah, we'll see how this plays out, and that's it for the video. Thank you for tuning in.